Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting guide for you on how to view the saved ads in Facebook. If you've ever come across an interesting ad while scrolling through your Facebook feed and wanted to revisit it later, we'll show you how to access your saved ads. Let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already done so, make sure you have the Facebook app downloaded on your device. Head over to the Play Store and search for Facebook using the search bar. Look for the white F logo on a white background, tap on it, and then tap on the Install button. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in to your Facebook account. Great. Now that you're signed in, let's find out how to access your saved ads within the app. Tap on the three stacked lines located at the top right side of your screen to open the menu. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you find the Settings and Privacy section. Tap on it to proceed. Excellent. Within the settings, look for the option labeled Recent Ad Activity and tap on it. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see a list of the recent ad activity you viewed while using Facebook. Now, to specifically access your saved ads, tap on the Saved option from the menu at the top of the Viewed Ads. And there you have it. You can now view all your saved ads conveniently in one place. That concludes our guide on how to view the saved ads in Facebook. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time.